YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We are on August 9th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet, and welcome to another video from Morning Dew. I just wanted to give you guys a quick show here of what I've been watching and researching and what the mainstream media has been talking about recently. And they're talking about ocean temperatures hit record high off San Diego. Another extreme weather milestone. These extreme weather milestones happening all over the world, including the record amount of fires that are raging across many countries across the world, and USA Today reporting that more and more Americans are believing in global warming and that humans are a cause for this global warming effect. And yes, I think in partial I do believe that as well, but we also have to take into hand the other extreme events that are happening around the world, the ones that they are not talking about. And that is, check out this large low pressure in the southern hemisphere. This is a 4-day forecast as it spins and churns in the South Pacific Ocean. Very strong winds as it heads towards western parts of South America, Venezuela, right up into Chile. Wow, that is a big low. Folks, I haven't seen anything this big yet. I mean, that is larger than the continent of Australia itself. The center of that, there are literally about 4 small low pressure systems spinning around it, and then they all join into that one large low. Wow. Our world is changing drastically. They aren't showing this on the news, are they? Look at those winds. So yes, stay aware and prepared, folks. I'm showing you here the southern hemisphere for the coming days. And there's a big difference between the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere. That is for sure. And if what I think is going to happen this winter, when winter does finally come in, we've got this extreme heat still across the planet, and then we have those cold polar vortexes trying to come in from the north. Watch out. So this is the wind map for the next few days in the northern hemisphere. Looks nothing like what's going on in the south, but still a very turbulent Pacific Ocean with 4 tropical storms churning, Hector turning into a typhoon, most likely surviving and then moving north. And you can see that large low pressure center, strong winds over the Alaskan Peninsula. So watch for an uptick in seismicity throughout this area and Russia, as well as another low pressure system forms right behind. So yes, watching these wind patterns, there's a lot that is changing. Now let's just look at the heat over the next 4 days from around the world. And through these maps, we can see that yeah, we are dealing with a lot of heat in a regular heated area, which is the equator. Pockets in parts of Alberta and Saskatchewan, simply because of topography, they're getting the extreme heat, hence the dry region and in the plains. But you can see those colder temperatures, they're not far away. Parts of Nunavut already next week we'll be seeing -1 to -2 degrees. So this is in the northern hemisphere, and throughout the southern hemisphere we've got a lot of really extreme cold reaching as far north as Africa, parts of southeastern Africa. Watch this. South America, Africa, and Australia. Watch how far those cold temperatures are reaching up. Some interesting changes indeed. Watch how far the purple gets. And then throughout parts of Africa in the coming days, they will have probably -4 degrees Celsius throughout the higher elevations in southeastern tips of Africa. So they're not talking about that, are they? Well, why would they? Maybe they don't know that we're on a cycle, a solar cycle, and that we could be on the verge, and most likely are on the verge, of a grand solar minimum. Our sun is very, very quiet. Watch what happens when we do have activity from the sun. See how much it affects our atmosphere. When we look at things now, and we end up having something go off in the next 3 weeks. Maybe some intergalactic space weather from a very large solar flare or a coronal mass ejection. So this is the moisture map across northern hemisphere. Check it out, folks. We have a ton of moisture across the world, but we also have a lot of fires, so I mean, that's good, I guess. Mother Nature's trying to balance it out. But across the world, through satellite images, we're looking at very smoky conditions, very dusty conditions, and our atmosphere is becoming more and more toxic. We are on the verge of something big. Stay aware and prepared. Thank you for watching today. I just wanted to share these maps with you in time lapse over the coming days from around the world. Right here we're looking at moisture. Parts of Africa, as I showed you here, they'll be getting some snow in the higher elevations. So why aren't they talking about these sort of things? So yes, please stay aware and prepared. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And please share with your friends and family from across the world. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.